Since 1975, DRM Industries in Lake Delton, Wisconsin has been providing precision machined components to the agriculture, construction, automotive, and oil and gas industries. DRM is dedicated to providing our customers with the best products in the market quickly at a competitive price. We have highly skilled and qualified staff available to meet the needs of our customers. Our skilled engineering department is experienced in working with the latest advancements of SolidWorks software, allowing customer requirements to be met with little effort. We are fully equipped to design, redesign, and reverse engineer parts to meet the needs of our customers. DRM's state-of-the-art CNC turning centers are capable of manufacturing very complex parts with shorter lead times in both production and prototype size slots. Live tooling, bar feeders, subspindles, and Y-axis capabilities allow DRM to perform multiple operations in one setup, saving time and money. Our CNC horizontal and vertical mills are equipped with high-pressure coolant and 4-axis capability, allowing us to produce parts faster in fewer setups, along with pallet changers, allowing us to reduce downtime due to part loading to nearly zero. DRM's commitment to numerous inspection stages throughout the process is vital to providing our customer with the best products in the market today. DRM demonstrates continuous commitment to our customers by our continued certification to the ISO 9001 standard, and emphasizing exceptional quality, customer service, and on-time delivery. DRM Industries prides itself on producing precision parts the first time, every time, and customers that come to DRM stay with DRM because we do what we say we will do.